again, congratulations, Belle, on this new milestone. I'm sure more blessings will come your way. And siguro hingan ka na lang namin ng iyong message for your fans because right now they're nakatutok sa ating live stream and sharing their love for you. Please.
Hello po to everyone that's watching us, to all my supporters. Thank you so much. I can't thank you guys enough, and I dedicate all the years to you guys. Thank you so much because you guys are one of my greatest inspiration why I do what I love doing. And thank you so much for being a reason for me to want to do better. And I love you guys all so much.
Okay, last question. Ano may go sa mga last question?
Yes.
Kanina, I love working with Donnie. Gumanong ka, di ba? Pwede namang like yung gamitin na word, pero bakit love?
Bakit? Wala yun doon.
Wala sa script.
Of course.
Because that word defines that kind of working relationship you have with him.
I think, because we already have that dynamic talaga on set. It really feels nice to work with him, and yun nga, throughout, we get to witness each other's growth too.
Right.
And that's something I love. I love to grow with him too. I love to venture, and nakaka-proud kasi we started Donbell, 5 years ago?
Yes.
And then now, he's doing a project with Kyle, and now I'm doing this project naman with Sina Papa P. And nakakatuwa, syempre. And I will always treasure what we do together.
Right. And we can't wait to see more of what you will offer. Ngayon nakapirma ka ulit
Thank you.
with ABS-CBN and Star Magic. Palakpakan natin. Belle Mariano,
Thank you so
maraming
much
salamat.
po.
Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon. This has been MJ Felipe, and enjoy the rest of your day. Love you, Belle!
Hindi, ano ko 2 years. Siguro po.
Then, tama, that makes a lot of sense. That it's 25, you're 25th. So it's quarter life. Tama
I'm
yun.
still on.
I went through that.
How
But
does it feel to be 25?
it feels good. It's quarter. Ay, hindi ko nakakulahay. Photo ka muna sa gitna. Nakalayo pa. Ayaw nang matanggal yung mic. Nakaganon pa rin, automatic.
Ano pong feeling? Nice spring pa lang po. Solo lang po.
Crazy.
Really? When you're patrol standby po for
Doon
Doon na lang? Okay.
Here po.
Baka gusto mo itong background.
One
Ay, iba lang.
more. Bell here, please. Bell here. Thank you. Here, Bell. Bell here. Wait lang, Bix.
Hindi na po ako Bell Mariano. Bell here na po.
Bell here. Bell.
Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you.